Welcome back, everyone. So as you've probably heard by now, the SBA PPP, the Small Business Administration Payment Protection Plan, recently got refunded with a second round of funding. Now, this money was designed for small businesses, so these are going to be for your gig drivers, your Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, real estate agents, independent contractors. This is also going to be for people with a sole proprietorship or a single member LLC, S Corp. A lot of different people play into this small business package if you're getting a 1099 miss, etc. So essentially this is going to be free money, assuming that you use it for its intended purposes to pay your employees during this downturn or pay your business expenses like your rent and that kind of stuff. So assuming you check off all the boxes, this is completely free money, and they just came out with a second wave of funding for this because the first wave was gone almost immediately. So if you haven't already applied yet, you're definitely going to want to get in on this as fast as you can because this is a first come, first serve basis. So when the money's gone, the money is gone. And I fully expect that this money is going to run out very quickly, just like it did the first time. So in this video, I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips in order to hopefully ensure that you are one of the ones that actually gets your funding approved. So the single biggest thing that I would recommend as far as trying to get this loan approved for you is choosing the location of who you are going to be submitting this loan with. Now, SBA.gov is the official website that you can go and apply for this program, but all of the banks, credit unions, etc. have this program set up as well. So you can go to Bank of America or Wells Fargo's website and they will assist you with applying for this program as well. The problem with that is that all of these big guys, Bank of America, SBA.gov, etc., that's where everybody is going. So their systems are being bombarded with applications and you're just getting thrown into the mix. So instead of applying at these big box locations, consider applying at a fintech instead. And examples of these would be applying at PayPal, Square, or Cabbage. Not many people think about applying for this small business loan at websites like PayPal.com. So if Bank of America has 500,000 applications sitting in its queue, and PayPal only has 1,000 applications waiting to be submitted when this program opens up. As soon as the program opens up, all of these different banks and credit unions, etc., they're going to be frantically working on trying to process these applications and get them sent off. So who do you think has a better chance of getting approved? If you're waiting in line with 500,000 other people at Bank of America, or 1,000 people at PayPal. Tip number 2, make sure you know how to fill out your payroll costs correctly. You're not going to want to forget any of these costs that are incurred by you on a monthly basis. So things like depreciation, contributions to retirement plans or health insurance, etc., all that stuff needs to be factored in to your overall calculations. And lastly, make sure that you have all of your documentation ready to go. So this is going to be your 2019 tax docs, your 2020 tax docs. If you're self-employed, you're going to need your Schedule C, etc. So make sure you have all of this information ready to go. That way, as soon as the program opens up, you're ready to rock and roll. So it's going to be very important that everything gets done correctly and submitted on time because this is already the second round of funding for this program. And I don't think that there's going to be a third round. I haven't heard any rumors or anything like that they are even considering opening this up to a third round. So make sure that you get in on this while you can, because like I said, supplies are limited, so act fast. Once this money is gone, it's gone.